It was a great day here in Minto, New Brunswick at the Coal Miners Lung Mountain Bike Race, and JDI was pleased again this year to be the platinum sponsor. And we had racers ranging in age from 7 to 70, 137 in total, from all parts of the province of New Brunswick, as well as Nova Scotia and PEI.
I think it's the best mountain bike race in New Brunswick. I think it's the best one in the Maritimes. Certainly the trails are absolutely fantastic. We've had a great turnout this year.
It really showcases our community as a whole. The community volunteers all come together to put on this event. It gets bigger and better every year, and we're excited to host it.
We also did something different this year because we want to introduce the sport to the next generation coming up through the school system. So we gave away 5 mountain bikes to 5 students in the middle high school schools in Minto. We had 35 essays that were submitted, and the committee, the organizing committee, selected 5. So we're very pleased that we were able to give those away today to deserving winners, and they'll enjoy the sport now for the rest of the summer.
It's been fantastic, and I'm so happy to see that everybody's had such a good time. Love the quality of the trails, and love to see a bit of Minto history.